Hey everyone, Jamie McDonald with the McDonald Group at PMZ Real Estate. Holiday season is right around the corner, and that means holiday shopping. Before you start filling up your cart, be sure to check out a couple of the quick tips that we have put together down below to make this process smoother and save you some money. I really like the idea of creating a buy-in schedule. Instead of getting overwhelmed by trying to do all of your shopping at once, break it up into manageable chunks. This way, you can snag the best deals without feeling rushed. Also, don't forget to use all those rewards apps. They can help you earn points, cash back, or discounts as you shop. A little extra savings never hurt anyone, right? And you can always donate that back to nonprofits or your local school. If you've got any favorite holiday shopping hacks, we'd love to hear them. Just reply to this email. And as always, if you have any real estate questions, we're here to help. Happy holidays and happy shopping.